Hey, what's going on? It's Coach Morrell. I just want to show you guys how to access the digital lesson plan. So what I did was I copied and pasted the link that I showed you guys. This is how it looks when it pops up. Boom, it says welcome to your digital lesson plan. So right here is all the slides that are on here. What you want to do is go to this button right here, the present button, and all you're going to do is going to click it, go from the beginning. Boom, and here you're able to get started from here. It says you're going to be doing 3-part lessons. So you have your warm up, your skill focus, and your cool down. So you click here to get started. You choose which one do you want. You want fitness or dance? Let's try fitness. And then we're going to go to, it says this for about anywhere from 6 to 10 minutes. Probably not even that long. So I click on sitter size. The video, it has the equipment that you need. Just need a chair. You're going to be sitting in an area with leg room. These are the activities that you're going to be doing, and you just click to follow the video. Video is me. I'm talking. Finish the video, do all the exercises, and then you go to all done. From all done, you will just go to the next tab. Let's get back to the beginning. So you did your activity. Just click any one. You go to all done. It takes you to the next activity, which is skill focus activity. You pick any one of the 6 topics. Let's say we're picking rolling. You go to a rolling activity.